Come with me to the pick and pull salvage yard. Some needle nose, pliers, maybe a pick magnet. They're busy today. First, I gotta take a piss. One to me is gonna be row 3, space 9. Well, it won't stop raining, so this is what I've resorted to. Whatever gets the job done, you know? Awesome, it has the switches I need. Yeah. Couldn't find anything else I needed, so we're out here. Back in town, here at the notary's house. No idea if he's here. He never answers his phone. Gotta show up and hope for the best. Hey, bud.
Hey, guy.